Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. Today I will be sharing with you the health benefits and uses of lemongrass essential oil. There are many benefits to be gained by using lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass is effective in resolving a number of first aid problems. It has antimicrobial properties and is also an anti-inflammatory. As a powerful analgesic, it offers immediate topical pain relief when applied to skin and reduces inflammation. In addition, it is antibacterial and antimicrobial, which means it can prohibit bacterial growth, and it is effective in controlling a fever caused by infections. Historically, lemongrass has been used for its many health benefits, such as treating fevers, inflammation, and indigestion. It has also been used to help with sedation. These days, it is used for many other ailments as well as for purification and odor control. Lemongrass essential oil can be used as a muscle relaxer. Rubbing essential oil of lemongrass into muscles that are tired, sore, or even in spasm, like a Charlie horse, can help to quickly relax and unknot those muscles, and help to relieve the pain and discomfort they can bring. It helps to relieve headaches. Applying a little oil of lemongrass to the temples or forehead for a headache is a soothing and rather quick remedy for this problem. It is particularly useful if the headache is caused by sinusitis, allergies, or hay fever. Lemongrass oil is a good treatment for acne. Acne is the despair of teenagers everywhere, but not to worry. Adding a drop or two of lemongrass oil to a carrier like almond oil and applying it to the affected area can help to relieve this problem due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It helps relieve arthritis joint pain. Lemongrass works well to resolve joint pain and works especially well when mixed with birch essential oil and geranium essential oil. Since the use of birch essential oil is not recommended for people on blood thinners, lemongrass is an effective alternative. Mixing birch oil with lemongrass works surprisingly well to relieve deep joint pain. Lemongrass oil reduces fevers. Use lemongrass to help fight the infection that causes fevers and also to keep the toxins from spreading. To use, blend a few drops of oil with coconut oil and apply to the back of the neck, chest area, and the bottom of the feet. It can help combat body odor. Commercial deodorants often contain lemongrass. If you are prone to body odor, adding a few drops of lemongrass essential oil to your moisturizing body lotion or salve will help combat unpleasant body odors. Lemongrass oil makes a great antibacterial cleanser. For a natural way to kill off bacteria and disinfect the home, add lemongrass oil to products already in use. This will not only leave the home smelling fresh and lemony, it will also make it cleaner and safer due to its strong antimicrobial properties. It has the power to repel insects. If mosquitoes, ticks, or other pests are a problem around the home or garden, consider making a natural insect repellent. This can be done by diluting lemongrass oil in a carrier oil like almond or olive oil and applying it directly to exposed portions of the skin. Lemongrass oil is a wonderful flea repellent for dogs. Adding lemongrass essential oil to a bandana or a collar of a dog can help to naturally repel the fleas that can drive a dog and his owner crazy. Be sure not to use this on cats without talking to the vet first, as cats are more sensitive to essential oils than dogs are. So consider adding lemongrass essential oil to your essential oil kit today. While it is not as widely known in the West as it is in the East, this excellent oil has many uses for both health and the home. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.